How's it going, guys? Ham Squad 25 here, and I want to show you all my stack. Now let's get started. Apocalypse. Alright guys, before I go on to show you all what I've been taking here recently, and I'm going to continue to take for about a month, I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Whatever you celebrate, I hope you and your family have a wonderful time. Just hug and love your family, take it all in, and just make the best out of this holiday season. So, just want to spread love real quick. But anyway, let's get into it. All right, so to start off here, I've got my Isotope by Redcon One, 100% whey isolate. I just take this after workout, 2 scoops, and then another 2 scoops just throughout the day if I'm really not eating a lot that day. But I don't take it twice in a day unless I just don't have a lot of food around and I'm busy. So that's what I do here, Redcon One. Then next on my list, I got the Animal Pack. This is a great multivitamin. Universal Nutrition and Animal, one of my favorite companies today. I love using their multivitamin, also their M stack and their regular stack. Just great test support. You will gain strength like crazy, and I love their products. Also just got some creatine monohydrate that I got from the Arnold last year. Yep, last year I just got it and it's been chilling and waiting. So I'm like, I'm gonna pick up the creatine to gain me some size, get some mass and strength going. I got my Halo by Redcon One, which is 100 milligrams of laxagenin per capsule. Take 2 a day with food. Really enjoy this. Took it last year and saw significant weight gain, good weight gain and strength. So that's good. And then fish oil. When I was taking this my senior year of high school, and I was taking this religiously, I saw significant just improvements in my overall health. The fat around my midsection was just rapidly declining, and just fish oil just in general is just really good to have along with your multivitamin if it isn't already a part of it. Then also, last but not least, I've got my Total War pre-workout from Redcon One. It is my personal favorite. For the longest time, I just did what any beginner does. Just get C4, right? C4, it's all right, C4 is good for beginning pre-workout in my eyes. But once I started trying different ones, I just found out this was the pre-workout for me. With pre-workouts like C4, you take it consecutively, like each day, and you're just like, okay, it's not doing anything for me anymore. But Redcon One's Total War is consistent, and I'm not just saying it. I can take it multiple days in a row and still feel the same effect that I did the first day. At least for me, that's just me personally. I really enjoy it. And that is my overall stack, guys. I'm probably going to do some individual videos about it, go more in depth, but I just kind of wanted to make this quick little Christmas special of a video to show you all what I'm doing and what I'm getting into and focusing on. I really want to do better when it comes to my health, and I want to get as big as naturally possible. I've been going to the gym 4 to 6 times a week. Really seeing significant improvements. I've already lost 4 pounds in 2 weeks, and yet I'm keeping my strength. So I feel really good, and now I'm just waiting to look good because I gained a lot of weight, like I said in my last video, from my knee surgery and everything. But anyways, guys, I just want to thank you all for supporting me through this. All my friends and family, or most of my subscribers, people that I know in my life. And I just want to wish everybody a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. You never know what's going to happen. Love everybody, hug your loved ones, and really cherish these memories. Everybody stay happy, stay healthy, have an awesome day. Peace.